So good morning everyone. We are in task to present the grade 9 science curriculum, and the topic that we are chosen is volcanic eruption. Now, here are our learning competency. Explain what happens when volcanoes erupt, and then our objectives. We have at the end of the 45 minutes, the students can determine the volcanic eruption in the Philippines, demonstrate how volcanoes erupted, and explain the volcanic eruption and how it happens. Let's proceed to our strategies. Our strategies is the learners should make an erupting volcano model, and after that, the learners should explain what do they observe during the experiment. But before we proceed to our experiment, we first know our basic safety rules. First, no cell phone or earphone usage during the experiment. Avoid skin and eye contact with all chemicals. Minimize all chemical exposures. Assume that all chemicals of unknown toxicity are high toxic. Post warning sign when unusual hazards, hazardous materials, hazardous equipment, or other special conditions are present. Use equipment only for its design purposes. And last, do not taste or intentionally sniff the chemicals. Now, here are our materials. First, the small bowl, cup, 1 tablespoon of washing up liquid, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of red food coloring, 1 cup of vinegar, scratch up some newspaper, bottle, 2 A3 sheet of card, pencil, scissors, and tape. Now let's proceed to our procedure. First is place your bottle upside down in the center of the sheet of the card and draw a small circle around the neck. Second, cut a straight line through the card to the middle of the circle and cut it out. Third, in the middle of the card, draw around the bottleneck and cut out the circle. Overlap the two sides of the card and make cone shape. Tip this into place and leaving the hole where you cut out the circle. Cut around the base of the cone so that it sits flat, but make sure that it is still taller than your bottle. Fifth, use paint to decorate the cone and make it look like volcano. Allow your model to fully dry. 6. Cut away the card at the base of the cone so that it sits flat. And in the bowl, combine the bicarbonate of soda and washing up liquid and add the water and mix thoroughly. Pour this mixture into your volcano. And then in the cup, mix together the vinegar and the food coloring. When you're ready, pour the vinegar onto the bottle with the bicarbonate. Wait for it to erupt and watch how lava flows. And last, experiment with the different amounts of bicarbonate and vinegar and see how the volcano's eruption changes. Now, after performing the experiment, we have here our activity. So, direction, after performing the activity, the students should answer the following questions. First, what did you feel while performing the activity? Second, what are the signs of volcanoes when it about to erupt? And last, how volcanic erupt and how it happens. And that's all. Thank you.